endelee kupotoshwa.
Now, residents of Kwakukuli in Kalama Ward, Machakos County can now breathe a sigh of relief after the national government initiated a project to construct a dam in the area. The 100 meters by 100 meters dam will now provide essential water access to over 300 villagers who previously faced challenges obtaining this vital resource from distant locations. Machakos Town MP Caleb Mule says the president had given a nod for the construction of 5 dams in the constituency, and this was among the first one to be constructed. According to a resident, Cyrus Muli, the existing dam is susceptible to drying out during severe weather conditions, forcing families in the area to travel over 4 kilometers to purchase water.
The entire area, the entire community, itakuwa na 6 million liters. That is our target. 100 meters by 100 meters by 4 meters down. 100 pandei, 100 pandei na 4 meters down. Kwa hivyo itakuwa maji mengi sana. Maji ambayo yako ni kidogo sana, ni shallow sana ukiangalia, na ni matope. Kwa hivyo tutakata maji yaingie kwa kabawa kadogo. Kwa hiyo bwawa ndio watu watatumia meanwhile tukiendelea kujenga hii.
Shifting focus, ODM leaders led by Mombasa Governor